guys, we
What?
like those two.
I need you poolside, you've been on my mind. What if you won't mind? It don't matter anyway. I like your south side.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another vlog. And I am up early this morning enjoying some coffee, taking in this beautiful day that God has stored upon me. So blessed in so many different ways, giving God all the honor and glory for this beautiful day. Thank you, Lord Jehovah. The house is nice and quiet. I've been up since 6 o'clock. I got my son ready for school, got breakfast made, and got him off to school. And now I'm back at home. Hubby is gone to work, and right now I'm just sitting here. I have my little notepad. I'm getting ready to make a list of all the things I need from the store. I do have a couple errands I need to run. I think I need to go by Sprouts. I don't know if I'm gonna go by Sprouts or the farmer's market. I don't know, we'll see. I'm kind of upset with the Cal Farmers Market because that's usually where I shop and get most of my produce from. And I also do get like my meats and things like that. But this past time, I went like on a Wednesday and picked up some fish and planned on making that fish on Friday. Girl, that fish was rotten. It stunk so bad. So I called them to see if I can return it because I wasn't sure about their policy. I had already threw away my receipt. And so when I called them, they were like, they can't do anything about it. Talking about pissed. I was pissed because that fish was like $40.
$40?
Girl, I am not around here trying to waste money. So I was upset about that. I know customer service is so important too, but I do like all my vegetables from there. I don't know, because I like Sprouts too, but Sprouts, I do not like their vegetables. So we'll see. I vlogged this Saturday with the family. I'm gonna add those clips right in so you guys can see us enjoying a Saturday. And I'm gonna sit here with my notepad and go ahead and take my notes, and I'll be right back. So guys, we just left out of Foot Locker. We went in there to look for some shoes for Ty, but we really didn't see anything that we liked. The sneakerhead he had to go in there and check out the new release. That's really what we was in there for, honestly.
Oh, come on.
We were just in there to see the new sneakers that, you know, the Jordans that dropped for all the sneakerheads who gotta go hit up the stores just to see. But yeah, we're looking for some shoes for Ty. And
me.
I want me some new shoes too. I want like some New Balances. That's what
I want some new Crocs.
I want me some nice and New Balances. So we're headed. I don't know where we're going. Where we're going?
I don't know either. Trying to figure it out.
We're still trying to figure out. Stonecrest. Or should we just go to Perimeter?
Best Buy?
Because I want to go look at Zara. I want to look around and window shop at other places, y'all. I want to go window shopping.
We'll go to Perimeter.
We go to Perimeter?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to Perimeter.
When I think about you, I get in my feelings, yeah. I start reminiscing, yeah. Anytime around, fuck, I want it to be different, yeah. Waiting on a sign, guess it's time for a different prayer. Please favor for me. Do this one favor for me. I had to change my ways.
What?
You got everything on you. Mustard, ketchup.
What's that, Mommy? What's that? Fried pickle. I love fried pickle.
So that's what we did on Saturday. But Sunday, we kind of just laid low in the house. I did some cooking. You know, it was football. Falcons played the first game, and too bad they lost the first game. So hubby was into that. And I just did some cooking around the house. I cooked dinner pretty early. I made like some chicken and rice and asparagus. It was just like some honey. I think I did like a honey glazed chicken breast. Well, nothing too big. It was just something real quick and simple to make and healthy. I also made some boiled peanuts for the first time, y'all. I picked up some from the farmer's market, like some raw peanuts, and they turned out really good. Hubby did not like them. He is not a boiled peanut person, but I enjoyed them, like a little nice little snack after dinner, high protein snack, and they were pretty good. Now I am here at Home Depot. It is really windy today. It's not I think it's like in the 70s. Let me see. It's 67 degrees today. Well, this morning. It's supposed to get up to 81. So the temperature is going to rise, but it's very windy. So I'm going to put my jacket on before I go into Home Depot. I want to get some tomato plants. I do want to start gardening. I don't know if I'm going to do that today, but I think my main focus today in here is to just browse around, see what they have, but also get some potting soil for my plants and maybe some pots as well. I'll see, because Home Depot, their pots are kind of expensive. So I may check out what they have here. Then I may just stop at Ross before we go to Sprouts. So let's get in here and see what they have. Got a fig tree right here, guys, and I love figs. It's a brown turkey fig tree, and it has little figs on it already. Look how cute. We are at Sprouts. I'm gonna go in here and grab my groceries, and then we're gonna go home. I'm starting to get hungry. I have been fasting, so I've only had coffee and I'm drinking water. I need to drink this whole thing up. I need to hydrate myself. So I'm gonna drink some more water and go ahead and get my groceries and get on home. I am starving. It's like 12:30. I'm getting ready to heat up me some leftovers. I'm so hungry. I was gonna make me like some eggs and toast and all that. Nope, I'm just gonna heat up some leftovers, eat that for my first meal of the day. Oh, you know what? I made a juice on yesterday as well. I made a carrot, ginger, turmeric, orange juice. It's good, y'all. So I'm gonna drink some of that first. Let me get it out so you guys can see. So here is my juice. That's like an immunity drink. My child, he always get some type of cold, some type of sniffles. He's sneezing, and he was doing a lot of that last week. I was giving Claritin, that helped. So this morning he kind of woke up with a little stuffy nose, which is expected because the season is changing. So I made sure he drank some of that, which was good. My head is kind of starting to hurt a little bit. And I know it's from my cycle. Like, I've been getting the worst PMS headaches. Right when my hormone kind of changing, I get a headache. And now I'm like midway through the headaches, I get a headache. And then once it's gone, I'll get a headache. It's like my hormones are kind of balancing itself, and I just get those migraines. I used to suffer with those when I was a teenager. It's like they're coming back now that I'm almost 40. Then I'm gonna take some black pepper and just a pinch of black pepper in there to activate the turmeric.
The molecules inside a solid are like frozen. They are trying to move out. To melt a solid melts into a liquid.
I'm addicted, that's why I keep calling you. Diamond boy, why you so shiny? Diamond boy, gon' get